All right, welcome back to another video. So we're going to be doing another backtesting session. Obviously, last session was absolutely crazy. This can be a part three. Part three. Yeah, so let's get right into it. And this is pretty much going to show you exactly what goes through my mind when I'm trading. And honestly, I don't know, bro. You guys obviously really like it, so might as well just continue it. So as you saw, random date. I don't know what kind of fucking price action I'm going to be getting over here. Let's get right into it. So first thing, starting off on the daily time frame. Daily time frame. What are we looking at? Obviously, we have a very strong downtrend. We're 2019. Okay, so in a downtrend. We have a swing low down here. Okay, let's go to a 4 hour. 4 hour, we're still in a very strong downtrend. Very strong downtrend. Very strong. Okay, so we're gonna continue pushing lower probably. Okay, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if we come higher, sweep out this intermediate high inside of this gap, on the side of this 15-minute gap, and then continue pushing lower. But we'll see. Okay. So we're tapping inside of this gap. If we can get this 5-minute flip, wouldn't mind it, but I don't really think I'd want to be looking for longs in this market. We can get this 5-minute flip. Kind of, it's a really late entry. This is a very late entry. Holy shit. Okay, I'll hit something like this. This is a really late entry though. I'd go break even right at these lows. Alright, it would be break even now. This is a terrible entry though, let's be honest. Okay, still TP though. Alright, starting off good. 11 o'clock, new session, let's go. Yeah, let's go to daily. What are we doing? So yeah, we ended up going higher, taking out that gap. Still have the swing low below. We're inside of this daily gap. We still haven't tapped into it, so still clean. Go to the 4 hour. How's the 4 hour looking? Still very, very bearish. We didn't tap inside of this 4 hour. This 4 hour, it could honestly be a draw. Never tapped into it. Okay. Something to keep in mind. Hourly time frame, what are we doing? Disrespecting, bullish, kind of chop. I'd want to see us be negative today. I want to see a push lower. Yeah, I'm bearish today. Let's see. We're gonna go push up for that 4 hour. Yeah. Okay. Tapping inside of the zone now. Do we have any higher time frame higher? Not really, bro. We have relative equals up here. $100 move. It's possible that we do it in today. Honestly, I wouldn't take it. But this is EQ of the range. This could be a very clean rejection higher. Did we wick it? We wicked it on top of it. And we closed the 4. I don't know. I wouldn't take it. I wouldn't take it. Yeah. There's just no draws higher. There were just no draws higher. Not even worth it. Okay, again, what are we doing? Still have the swing low below. We have stacked lows that we ended up taking. Still pushing lower. Daily gap, 4-hour. Very nice. Still pushing lower, very bearish. We're inside of the zone. We still have till 10 o'clock to form it, so that's nothing as of right now. Hourly, pushing lower. Yeah, we could come up higher, tap inside, and then have the rejection. Yeah, could be bullish on open, tapping inside the zone. But overall, I want to see lower price. I want to see lower price. Okay, so we tapped inside of the hourly. Wicking the 15. We're at EQ of the range, right? Yes, we are. 5 minute, there's nothing. We flip this 4. We're just gonna push higher. I would honestly like this to be a rejection. Okay, we're just not going to do anything in the session. Still very bearish. We have this gap. We have a new week opening gap, though. That's going to want to get fulfilled. Most likely going to be bullish today. Expecting off that. Okay. Gonna be a bullish open. We can get a retrace inside of this gap. I'd love it. Something like that. I want to see a nice rejection, though. Holy, okay. We're gonna respect the new week opening gap and higher time frame. I'm gonna push lower here. We can get a pull back inside of here. Not even. Okay. It's crazy price lower. I'm pretty sure this is the gap. Yeah. So we have this 15. I'd much rather we tap inside the 5 before we have a push lower, which we do. We can get this 5-minute flip. I'll take a short here. Kind of getting close to 11 o'clock, so. Yeah, I wouldn't mind taking the short. We're inside of this gap, though. We're inside of this gap. This is a little tricky, but yeah, I'd go break even here. Yeah, and I'd target for 1-to-1. You can honestly target these lows. I take partials here, take 50% off, and then the rest I'd push for the lows. There you go. Too easy, bro. Too easy as I was looking for longs over here, but we had this new week opening gap that we fulfilled. I thought we would have a little continuation higher to these equals, but we had a very quick rejection, respecting the 15, respecting the 5, and we had a 5-minute flip, so if you're getting that much confirmation, not really the smartest to go against that. Okay, so this new week opening gap got tapped into. We have no reason to be continuing to push higher over here. I don't know why we're bullish right now. If 10 o'clock can flip this, most likely we see a continuation higher. Yeah, if we can get a retrace inside of the zone, can most likely get longs here. Respecting a 5 as well. Okay, we got this flip here on the 1 minute. Is this the highest time frame though? No, we have a 2 minute. I'd really want to wait for this 2 minute to close. We have a 3 minute. We do have a 3 minute. So I'm gonna wait for this 3 minute. We can get this 3 minute flip. I'd say that's a closure. I'd say that's a closure. Target a 1-to-1. These highs definitely going break even. Beautiful. Wow. Talk about chop. That's embarrassing. Okay. Okay, new week. I mean, new session. So we're going to be looking for longs now. We have these stacked highs. Swing high, stacked highs, whatever. So yeah, that's obviously going to be draws today. We're respecting the hourly. That's bullish. Flip this. Bullish. I would really like if we can get a pullback inside the zone. Come on. You know you want to do it. There we go. That's that pullback. Okay, let's try to look for an entry now. Are we going to get an entry? No. We're not going to get an entry. Okay, we're expecting this 15 still though. We're at discount of this whole range. We get this 5-minute flip. A bearish New York session. That's very weird for having a bullish, such a bullish price action. Where did my chart go? Hello? Okay, we'll just use this chart. Okay, whatever. Classic FX replay. Okay, still bullish. This is just disgusting price action. We are still bullish. We have relative equals at these highs. That's our draws. This is terrible price. Wow. We get like a retracer of some sort, bro. Are you dead ass? Yeah, okay, just continue pushing higher. Yo, what kind of price is this, bro? Okay, yeah. I think I'm just ended here, bro. Price action is terrible. FX replays glitching the fuck out. If you want to learn one-on-one with me, I have a link down below. Go check it out. And if you want some discounts to some funded accounts, I have a link down as well. Go check that out. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video of me backtesting. Peace.